Hello dear students, welcome to this lecture series on satellite communication. This is the lecture 4 on overview of satellite systems. So in this lecture we'll see some terms, particularly latitude, longitude, look angles, station keeping, propagation delay time, velocity and footprint. So you would have studied in school about latitude and longitude, so let's revise that. So basically latitude is angle between equatorial plane and a straight line that passes through origin at that point and through the center of earth. So this is the equatorial plane, this is called equatorial plane, and if you are at this location and if you draw a line from this location to the center of earth, so the angle that line makes with this plane is called latitude of that location. So there are circles along the earth where the latitude is same. So these are the lines joining the same latitude. They are called parallels. You would have heard of Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. They are around 23.5 degree north and south. So they are special latitudes. They are very special for seasons. Then let's see longitudes. So they are angles east and west of a reference meridian to another meridian that passes through that point. So the reference meridian is it passes through British Royal Observatory in Greenwich, south of London, and this is taken as a reference meridian, and the points or the locations to the east of it, they are denoted by east, and locations to the west of it, they are denoted by degrees followed by west. Now let's see look angles. So look angles are basically coordinates to which the earth station must be pointed to in order to communicate with satellite. For example, say you want to locate a satellite in the sky. So how you can locate the satellite in the sky? So that's where look angles come into picture. So it is a set of two angles. So first angle is azimuth angle and second angle is elevation angle. These angles change for non-geostationary orbits, so they change with for different satellites, and for same satellite also they change with time. So basically azimuth is this angle. Suppose imagine that you are pointing or you are heading, you are facing the north and satellite is in this direction. So by how much you have to rotate, so that will denote the azimuth angle, and by how much you have to look upward in the sky, so that angle is elevation angle. So elevation will tell you how high up in the sky you have to look. So this is the set of azimuth and uh, elevation angle. These are called look angles. Now let's see what is station keeping. So station keeping in simple terms is to maintain the satellite in the orbit. That's it. That is all about station keeping. So in general, because of different reasons, satellite tends to drift from its original location, and we have to undo or we have to counter this drift, and for that we have to direct a velocity in opposite direction. So this is done by means of jets which are pulsed once in 2 or 3 weeks. So these are called east-west station keeping maneuvers. Satellites in 6.4 GHz band, they must be kept within 0.1 of the designated longitude, and 14-12 GHz they must be maintained within 0.05 of the designated longitude. Propagation delay time everybody knows from your previous courses, so still for the sake of completeness, let's see what it is. So it is the time taken by the signal from transmitter through satellite to the receiver. So this is propagation delay time. So it encounters uplink as well as downlink way. Velocity of satellite is orbital velocity. It is needed to balance the satellite or balance the between gravity and satellite's tendency to move away from the earth, which is nothing but centrifugal force. So that balance is achieved by a particular velocity. Orbital velocity depends upon satellite's height or altitude above the earth. If the satellite is near to earth, it has to move faster to maintain the velocity, and if it is farther from earth, it can move slower and can maintain the velocity at that speed. Footprint is the ground area that is covered by transponder of a satellite. So you can see, if this is a satellite and this is the area that its transponder can communicate with, then this is called footprint of the satellite. That's all for this particular video. Let's meet or let's see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.